When the zombie apocalypse does come, the last thing you want is for your boss to get eaten by zombies because the gate lock doesn't work. But this is a common problem. In any key lock, from apartment doors to motor vehicles, it all comes down to the same problem: lack of lubrication. Locks have tiny little moving parts that get dry and become stuck and hard to move, especially exterior doors and outdoor padlocks that are exposed to heavy moisture and rain. Have you ever had a key break off in a door or lock? Yeah, it happens. But the solution is as easy as spraying a little bit of lubricant inside the lock. You can add years of trouble-free operation to any lock with a little lubricant. I like to use silicone or Teflon spray because they're not oily like WD-40 or other oil-based lubricants. But any lubricant will work, preferably before you get the key stuck in the lock. A good routine is to spray a lubricant in the lock every 6 months or so to keep the locks lubricated. The more the locks get used, the more often you need to lubricate them. The more they're exposed to harsh weather like rain, the more you have to lubricate them. Most of you are probably saying, this is a pointless video because everyone's using keyless entry. Well, when the zombie apocalypse does arrive, good luck with your keyless entry.
Oh wait, take off your hat, take off your hat.
Oh, fuck.
I just realized that.